I am Dr. Meenakshi Tandon with 22 years of experience as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, and laser surgeon. I have worked in Gandhi Medical College as associate professor for 9 years. At present, I have clinic in name of Skin City in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Aging is a complex process which is affected by external and internal factors like UV rays, pollution, radiation, genetics, hormones, lifestyle like smoking, tobacco, sleep, nutrition, and many more. Anti-aging strategies consist of topical therapies in which we use sunscreens, moisturizers, retinol, antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, niacinamide, and near to this basket is polypeptides, which is the chain of collagen and elastin. Invasive procedure consists of many procedures which are in OPD, and it helps in regeneration and reconstruction of skin layers and also increase collagen production. Chemical peeling, it is the ablation of defined skin layers which helps in remission and regeneration and repair. Visible light devices, it consists of monopolar radiofrequency, microneedling with radiofrequency, and lasers like erbium YAG laser. They have minimum downtime, they are non-ablative, subsurfacing, and it helps improve the structural integrity as well as increase the collagen production. Fillers, they are for soft tissue augmentation. It helps in improving the texture and hydration, and it has a long effect. Platelet-rich plasma, where platelets are extracted from fresh blood and injected under the skin. It has growth factors which improves the skin matrix as well as collagen. Botulinum toxin, it relaxes the muscle and helps in improvement of fine wrinkles and dynamic lines. It is to be repeated every 6 months. Finally, healthy aging should be the motto, and it should be under the certified doctor dermatologist. Thank you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.com.